How to log into Capital One UK credit card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of logging into your Capital One UK credit card online account. So in order to begin, open any web browser in your PC or your mobile device and go to capitalone.com. Just type in capitalone.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then after, you will be directed to the official login page of capitalone.com. You will be directed to the official homepage of Capital One. You have to log in from here. Type in the username first, and after you do that, enter the correct form of your password. And if you'd like this device or the system to remember your password, you can check on this option of Remember Me. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this Forgot Username or the Password option. And you have to enter your last name and your social security number and the correct form of the date of your birth, and click on Find Me option to retrieve your username or your password. After entering the correct form of your details, click on the Sign In button that is highlighted in blue color and access the account dashboard and select credit cards to view balance, transactions, statements, rewards, and other details. You can also apply for a new credit card by selecting one and clicking Apply Now. Fill out an online form and submit, and once approved, you will receive your card. So that concludes the video. For more queries, leave a comment, like, subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.